Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. I am Ms. Mehvishwar Samia, teacher. Today we are going to do question number 1, missing letters, and question number 2, answer these questions of unit number 14, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, part 3. So before starting its exercise, let's have a recap of the unit. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, spent happiest days of his life in the desert. At the age of 5 or so, he came back to his mother Amina. But what happened? She also died before the end of the year. So our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, lost his mother when he was only 6 years old. As we know that he lost his father. His father died before his birth. So when he was only 6 years old, he lost his mother also. So he was an orphan. He was therefore now cared for by his grandfather, Abdul Muttalib. So what was the name of his grandfather? Abdul Muttalib. But he also passed away 2 years later. Muhammad, peace be upon him, was then put into the care of his uncle. His uncle name was Abu Talib. So when he was only 8 years old, he lost his grandfather also. So he also passed away when he was only 8 years old. Then he was put in the care of his uncle Abu Talib. Abu Talib was not a rich man. He had his own family, he had his own children, and he had to work hard. So Muhammad, peace be upon him, also worked hard, and he looked after his animals. And while tending sheep, he thought about the nature deeply. He looked at the setting of the sun and the twinkling of the stars, and he thought about these things deeply. So he was quite different child. He was very different. Did not take part in any of the silly games. He never told a lie. He was truthful, and he spoke only when necessary. So now let's move to its exercise. We have already done the true false on the book. Now we are going to do the missing letters in your notebook. So first one is grandfather. Grandfather. So the missing letter is D and H. Grandfather. The second word is Abu Talib. The missing letter is B and A. Abu Talib. The next word is tending. 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 D. Thought. Thou. And the missing letter is GHT. Thought. Deeply. 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 Next word is died. 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 The next one is happiest. 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 So you are going to write these missing letters in your notebook. Now let's move to question number 2. Answer these questions. A. Who was Abdul Muttalib? Do you know who was he? Yes, Abdul Muttalib was the grandfather of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Abdul Muttalib was grandfather of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. At what age our Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, came back to his mother? So, how old he was? When he came back to his mother, he was only 5 years old. Okay, at the age of 5 or so, Muhammad, peace be upon him, came back to his mother. Now, C part is, where did Hazrat Muhammad spend the happiest days of his life? So, in the beginning, I told you that Muhammad, peace be upon him, spent the happiest days of his life in the desert. So, you are going to write these question answers in your notebooks and learn it also. So, we'll meet you in the next class. Till then, take a lot care of yourself. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.